Welcome to another episode of Brandy Unboxed.
We've got another really exciting upgrade to the shop. As you can see, this one is really freaking big. Any guesses? It's a bandsaw. And it's going to be replacing this Rikon that I got secondhand probably 3 years ago or so. It served me well, but it's time for an upgrade. They don't even make this color anymore. I don't know how old this thing is. Oh my goodness. So this is the new Harvey with the nickel plated coating. I still need to research what that means. Blade, all wrapped up and oiled, it looks like. Rip fence accessory, it says. Oh, that's heavy. Another box. Another box. Oh, heavy. That's the table. I think this is the nickel coated thing. This was just what the table was laying on. Okay. There's the top with the nickel coating. We love saving bubble wrap, so this will be used for something else. It comes bolted to the pallet, so don't try picking it up without taking that off because it won't come up. Okay, here's the bolts. They all came out really easy, except for one. There's always one. These are cool. I think I'll keep them. What I've been doing with these pallets is just kind of kicking one of these sides out and then shimmying it out. My boyfriend is coming over in an hour or so, so I'll make him help me because he's gonna go come get his dog. Give me a kiss. Here's my doggy. Bobby, come here. He's a little camera shy. There we go. Ta-da. Of course, we're gonna just to see if we can do it ourselves. I doubt it, but let's see what we're dealing with. Oh, nope, there's no way. There's no way for this one. We'll wait, we'll be smart. Here's some more stuff that came in the bandsaw. Let's see what it is. Some feet. Maybe it's the, no, off the top of my head, I don't know what this is. Awesome. So I have to look into it if all the bandsaws come with one of their compass roller guides. This is gonna make resawing really easy and fun. And this says Rip Fence Accessory, so that's what it is, Rip Fence Accessory. Okay, we were smart and waited for my boyfriend to get here. Hubba, hubba.
Got it on that thing for us, and we can just roll it over now. Okay, day 2, we are back on the scene after my boyfriend helped me put it in place. It was pretty simple to install. Directions were a little hard to understand, but thankfully I found a really good video on YouTube, and I'll link it below. It solved all my questions. First off, you will never touch anything smoother than this nickel plating. I looked into it a little more, and the benefits of having this, it's like triple the hardness of steel. It's very smooth and lustrous. I'll give you a close-up right now. Incredible rust prevention, even in high humid environments. I wish I had this when I was getting a monsoon in my garage, because look at this rust over here. So I spent a majority of the day yesterday trying to clean this up because I am gonna try to sell it. And so this is what I was living with. I thought this was just a vintage color. They don't even make Rikon in green anymore. The smoothness is nothing compared to that. It's really just a beautiful piece of machinery. Love the key, the emergency stop right there. And I love when a company just thinks about the everyday use. This is a tool holder. You can hang things here, put your Allen wrenches there. It's got a foot stop. I've never had that. And it's got this hydraulic system. That's definitely not what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. And it makes it really easy to get up with just one person, one hand. Look at how freaking smooth that is. So I'm gonna be cutting some crazy angles. Look at that. I've got my blades and Allen wrenches hanging on the accessory holder. And then I forgot to mention, one of my other favorite things is it has the dual dust ports. So it's gonna get dust from here and dust from the bottom. So I don't feel like any sawdust is gonna get out of this machine. It's been a few days I've been running it, and I am getting no dust paired with my Harvey dust processor. They are just match made in heaven. Can't do all that and not start it up for you guys, so let's do a cut. This machine's just gonna give me so much more confidence to build things bigger and safer, and I'm just so stoked to have it in my shop now.